Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome mga kamatkada. Ang topic ngayon natin ay tungkol sa angle pairs. Bago tayo magpunta sa main topic natin, which is the angle pairs, ano muna yung mga objectives natin today? Our objectives, or the first objective, is describe the relationships between angle pairs based on their measurements or measures. The second objective is to identify supplementary and complementary angles. The third is to determine measures of angles given pairs of supplementary or complementary angles. So, ayan po yung tatlong objectives na kailangan po natin makuha or mapag-aralan. Okay, ang tanong, ano po ba yung angle pairs? Angle pairs are two angles that have a spatial relationship based on their position or the way they up. So dito, meron tayong i-highlight na words, no, in terms of the definition of angle pairs. The first is two angles. So kailangan lang natin ng two angles. And then, ano po gagawin natin dyan? Add up. So ibig sabihin, i-add natin yung two angles na meron tayo. Okay, that would be one of the definition of angle pairs. Plus or add the two angles. Okay, now the second term or definition of angle pairs, they often appears when lines intersect or when a line crosses parallel lines. So medyo mabigat yung definition, no, second definition natin. Kasi yung first definition, plus mo lang, i-add mo lang yung dalawang angles, alam na natin malaman kung anong klaseng angle pair siya. Pero yung second definition niya, meron tinatawag na line intersects or line crosses parallel lines. So, ibubrod natin siya or idadissect natin siya isa-isa. Okay? So, ano muna yung una pag-aaralan natin dito sa second definition? Una is yung line intersect. Ano ba yung lines intersect? Pag sinabi natin lines, that is plural. Two lines or three lines. Pero let's talk about muna sa two lines. Let's say this one is the first line and this one is the second lines. So meaning we have two lines na intersect. So dito yung two lines natin, if you can see, nag-intersect sila at this point. So kapag daw yung dalawang lines ay nag-intersect, makakabuo tayo ng special relationship angle at diyan papasok si angle pairs. Okay po, so that would be the first. The second is the line crosses parallel lines. Ano po yung line crosses parallel lines? So una, pag-aralan muna natin yung parallel lines. Let's say this one is the first line and this one is our second line. If you can see, these two lines are parallel. Bakit parallel po? Kasi po, these two lines never intersect. Okay po? At meron tayong line crosses. Ibig sabihin, ito pang isang linya ay tatama doon sa dalawang linya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, if we have two lines and those two lines are parallel lines at meron pang isang linya na nag-cross sa kanila, mabubuo yung special relationship ng angles. Diyan ulit papasok si angle pairs po natin. Okay po, I hope naintindihan po yung dalawang important words, no, na sa definition ng angle pairs natin. Okay, so ano-ano ba yung angle pairs or yung relationship, special relationship ng angles na meron tayo? Una natin pag-aralan is yung complementary angles. Meron din pong nabubuo na tinatawag na supplementary angles. Meron din pong tinatawag na vertical angles. Meron din pong pang-apat na adjacent angles at yung pang-lima ay tinatawag nating linear pair. Pero ngayon, our objective is just focusing doon sa complementary and supplementary angles. Okay po, yung vertical, adjacent, and linear pair, wala muna po tayo dyan. Doon muna po tayo sa dalawa, the complementary and supplementary angles. Question, ano muna po ba yung complementary angles muna? Okay, when we talk about complementary angles, two angles whose sum is 90 degrees. Ibig sabihin po, yung dalawang angles, i-add lang po natin sila at dapat ang lalabas po ay 90 degrees. Okay po, add the 2, the sum is 90 degrees. For example po tayo, if one of the angle is 30 degrees, the other angle is 60 degrees. Ibig sabihin, pag in-add mo yung 30 degrees at saka 60 degrees, ang lalabas 90 degrees. Kapag 90 degrees po ang lumabas, ibig sabihin po, ang tawag po doon ay complementary angles. Another example, if one of the angle is 50 degrees, the other is 40 degrees, kapag in-add natin itong dalawang to, ang tawag complementary angles. Why? Because 90 degrees sila. Another example, if one of the angle is 14 degrees, the other is 76 degrees, because 14 degrees plus 76 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. That is complementary angles. Okay? Now, let's check if you really understand what is the complementary angle is. Now, two angles are complementary. One angle measures 10 degrees. What is the measure of the other angle? The answer is very good, 80 degrees. Why? Because ang kailangan na lang po natin para maging 90 is 80. Kasi meron na po tayong 10 degrees. Okay? Another example. Which of the following pairs is complementary? Letter A, 60 degrees and 25 degrees. Letter B, 30 degrees and 50 degrees. Letter C, 20 degrees and 60 degrees. Or letter D, 20 degrees and 70 degrees. The answer is letter D, 20 degrees and 70 degrees. Why? Kasi pag inad po natin yung 20 degrees tsaka 70 degrees, ang lalabas po is 90 degrees. And we all know that the complementary angle is the sum is 90 degrees. Very good po. Now, you know what is the complementary. Simple lang ulit yung complementary. Pag inad, dapat ang lalabas 90 degrees. Ang supplementary angles naman po, the sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. Parehas lang po sila halos, kaya lang magkaiba po yung dapat yung kakalabasan. Yung complementary, 90 degrees. Yung supplementary, 180 degrees. Bigay po tayo ng examples. If one of the angle is 30 degrees, the other angle is 150 because 30 plus 150, 180. Next, if one of the angle is 40 degrees, the other is 140 degrees because 40 degrees plus 140 degrees, the sum is 180. The third example, if one of the angle is 100 degrees, the other is 80 degrees because 100 plus 80, the sum is 180. Okay? Try po natin. Kung nagets po natin, two angles are supplementary. One angle measures 60 degrees. What is the measure of the other angle? The answer is 120 degrees. Because 120 degrees plus 60 degrees, the answer is 180 degrees. Supplementary, the sum is 180. Very good. The next question. Which of the following pairs is supplementary? 60 degrees and 110 degrees. Letter B, 10 degrees and 150 degrees. Letter C, 120 degrees and 60 degrees. Letter D, 110 degrees and 60 degrees. The answer is letter C, because 120 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees to make it supplement. Now, let's talk about again the first definition. Add up two angles. Kapag 90 ang lumabas, complementary. Kapag yung dalawang angle, pinag-plus or inad, ang lumabas is 180 degrees, ito po ay supplementary angles. Ito naman po, yung pangalawang definition niya. Ano ba yung itsura ng angle pair, especially complementary and supplementary? Kasi minsan, sabi natin may lines. So, ito po yung itsura niya. Yung complementary angle, sandaan lang po natin, ang itsura niya is letter L, malaking L. At commonly, kapag 90 degrees, meron siyang box. Tandaan po natin na kapag meron po tayong nakitang box, ito po ay 90 degrees. Diba po? 90 yan. Pag naglagay po ako ng linya na ganito, yung 90 degrees ay nahati sa dalawa. Ito pong part na to, at on this another part. Okay po? To make it complement. Halimbawa po, ito pong una, ang sukat niya po is, let's say, 60 degrees. Therefore, this remaining is 30 degrees. Because yung isang buo na po na yan is 90. Okay? So, ayan po itsura ng complementary angles. Yung supplementary angles po, ang itsura niya po is straight line. Pag nakakita po kayo ng straight line, commonly, ito po ay supplementary angles kaagad. Katulad po ng complementary, naglagay po ng linya sa gitna. Ito po, 180, lagyan po natin ng linya sa gitna. Ibig sabihin, yung 180 ay nahati ulit sa dalawa. This part and this part. Okay, let's assume that this part is, let's say, 100 degrees. Therefore, the remaining would be 80 degrees. Okay po? So, that is supplementary and complementary angles. Now, let's check your understanding if you really understand the topic today. Answer the following questions. Two angles are complementary. One angle measures 40 degrees. What is the other angle? The answer is 50 degrees. Why? Complementary means 90. So 40 plus 50, 90. Another question. Two angles are supplementary. If one angle measures 125 degrees, what is the other angle? The answer is 55 degrees, because the supplementary means the sum is 180. 125 degrees plus 55 degrees, the answer is 180 degrees. Next question. Which of the following pairs is complementary? A. 45 degrees and 45 degrees. B. 80 degrees and 20 degrees. C. 100 degrees and 80 degrees. D. 90 degrees and 90 degrees. The answer is letter A, because 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. Okay, yung letter B kasi 80 degrees plus 20 degrees is 100 degrees. And we all know that if we have complementary angles, the sum must be equal to 90 degrees. Another question. Which of the following pairs is supplementary? 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Letter B, 70 degrees and 20 degrees. Letter C, 100 degrees and 80 degrees. Or letter D, 110 degrees and 90 degrees. The answer is letter C, 100 degrees and 80 degrees. Because we all know if we have supplementary, the sum must be 180 degrees. Next question. The complementary angles add up to what must be the sum of the two angles in complementary angles? The answer is, very good, 90 degrees. Next question. Supplementary angles add up to? The answer is 180 degrees. Very good. Next question. If angle X is 55 degrees, its complement is blank. What would be the answer? The answer is, very good, 35 degrees, because if we have complement, the sum is 90. Next question. If angle Y is 110 degrees, its supplement is blank. The answer is, very good, 70 degrees, because if we have supplementary angle, or if we have supplementary angles, the sum must be 180 degrees. Okay, diyan po natatapos ang ating lesson for today. I hope you understand the topic for today about angle pair is specifically about the supplementary angles and the complementary angles. Thank you for watching mga kamatkada. Bye-bye!